What's up, guys? So today we got a topic to discuss. It's a topic that gets me upset. I'm not gonna go on a rant. We're just gonna seriously talk about it. We are with Lewis.
What's up, guys?
Check out his channel, Louis.z. It's a great channel. He's got some good stuff coming out. But he's gonna be in the car. He's mic'd up. We're gonna talk about the subject at hand, which is shows charging for parking, for VIP parking, and for spectators. So let's get into it. We're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna talk about how this unfortunately is starting to be normalized. So let's get into it. So wait for this.
Whoa.
Oh, that's some lightning. The main issue is the normalization of shows charging fees to park a car in a fucking parking lot. It's like, come on, man. So first, I'll shut up and let Lewis, who is mic'd up, tell me kind of what he thinks, and I'll just get to driving.
Yeah, I mean, first and foremost, guys, leave a like on today's video. But yeah, anyways, I kind of got into the car scene really early.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'm doing a video right now. Sorry, dude. I appreciate it, though, man. Thanks. Awesome. Lewis just got cut off by a compliment.
Caught
in
in
a
4K.
Infinity. Sorry.
Infinity and
Go
beyond.
ahead, Lewis.
Yeah, guys, so, you know, Don is definitely, we're from two different generations. We're from two different generations, so I'm just gonna kind of explain it as and kind of walk you guys through how I got into the car scene. So I started going to shows when I was really young. My grandparents always took me to shows, and you know, it was really cool. But events, they put on shows for the people. You know, like there was never entry fees, and a lot of the time, like, you know, you show up to these shows, you would get free t-shirts and you would get stickers and lanyards and just a bunch of cool stuff. And it was really an event for the people, you know, to just get the community together. And I feel like, you know, compared to now, I feel like it's definitely more of a marketing thing. I feel like shows are just implementing a bunch of businesses that want to market their products. And obviously through that, you know, these people that throw on these events have just gotten to the point where they feel they can ask, you know, for additional money, and it's pretty crazy how it's changed. I can guarantee you there's a lot of people that are pocketing money, and it's just kind of like, me and Don joke about it. It's like it's a little bit scammy and dodgy and weird, but I feel like a lot of that stuff is going on behind the scenes. So that's just kind of my take on it. That's how I entered the car scene, and that's how I perceive it now. Like I said, it's kind of sad how it's changing, and I just want to make one last point. It's not really about the money itself. It's more so just about the principle. You know what I mean? It's not that people can't afford $10, $20 to get into shows. People can afford that. It's just the principle. You know, it's just like, why does donating have to be forced? That's the whole point of a donation. Is it shouldn't be forced. It should always be.
He's living his best life. Leave him alone.
It just seems like the car culture is shifting. It seems like it's more of a cash grab, if you will.
Yeah. No, I agree with about everything that Lewis says. I'm like I said, I'm old. I come from where, you know, Cars and Coffee is literally, you just go to a place, you show up, you get up early, you have some coffee, you're waking up and you're looking at some beautiful cars. And it's just weird because as far as like how it has changed since I even since I've had this car, even like a year or so before I had this car, it used to be where it was kind of like you go to Cars and Coffee where we live at the mall we were just at, and it was like, oh, donations are great. You don't have to, but you should. And then it evolved into, oh no, you're gonna donate or else you're not getting in. And I guess the main thing is that like having somebody do something when it's supposed to be part of a just free, chill, about cars culture. And you know, I'm not gonna say the name of this company. It's a coffee company, we'll say, that is located in Tampa. And I actually saw where they had changed recently and gone from, okay, VIP pays, which I admittedly did. I paid VIP like twice after I got my car just because I thought it'd be cool. And then it changed to, okay, well, VIP and our overflow law is going to change to where you're going to have to pay, which is basically just an Outback Steakhouse parking lot. And so it then changed to spectators pay money. And at that point, I made a comment on Instagram, and I was just like, this is uncalled for. Like, I don't understand it. Like I was just pretty upset. And the dude that ran the actual like Instagram page like made a couple of comebacks to me, and he made a couple of comebacks to me, and like we went back and forth, and then he personally sent me a DM saying, hey, what can we do to make this better? And I was just like, dude, you're not really wanting an answer on this. I don't know what the fuck you think you're gonna do, but just, I'm good, man. I'm done with your shit. I'm done with your show. So I agree with Lewis on pretty much almost everything that he just discussed. I just think it's sad that it's turned into a thing where, you know, there's money involved. Who really knows where the money goes? There's prices on things, like you're going to an amusement park. And somebody made a comment too on that same post. It was like, you know, I could go look at a Ferrari dealership for free. Why am I gonna go pay money? You know, I can go park at a mall for free, but when it's a Saturday, on a second Saturday, it costs money.
Guys, just to put in perspective, like now not only are shows like normalizing charging for you to enter to display your car, but now they've taken it to the next level where shows are charging spectators, like people that don't display cars in the shows, just like normal people that come to look at the cars. They're charging those people as well. So it's just kind of like a domino effect. It's like not only are the people that are bringing their cool cars getting charged, which obviously you pay to display your car, okay, whatever, but now you know, normal people that drive Toyota Priuses and park in like the public parking get charged to get into these shows, and it's just becoming more of a cash grab, I think. So I just wanted to kind of make that point.
Yeah, no,
just to clarify
no, 100%. Because, like I said, guys, basically, I want to just get your feedback. I was gonna say that I had not actually spoken to anybody that it was like, hey, yeah, this is great. I love this idea. Let me just throw you this money for something that I never gave you money for before. You know, I just think it's just a crazy situation. I don't think that, you know, every place is like this. I know that, I'll say the name of it because I love this place. Armature Works in Tampa does a great Cars and Coffee, and we were just there this last Saturday, and as of right now, they don't charge anything, and the quality of vehicles are the same, if not a small amount better than the ones that do charge. So it's just ridiculous. I just wanted to talk about it today, just go on a quick little ride back home and just get people's opinion, see what's going on, even though I'm pretty sure that everybody is in agreement that this is bullshit. Leave a comment, let's discuss it, let's get into it. But that's my 2 cents. Lewis, do you have anything else to say?
Yeah, no, just thanks for having me. Let us know in the comment section, because we're honestly really curious about your feedback and what side you take on this. So very interested to see what you guys have to say.
Yep. And again, check out Louis Z, Louis.Z. His channel is awesome. It's great. Check it out. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment everything, and see you in the next one.